Students in the building trades program at Hudson's Bay High School are trying to figure out what they want to do after school.
Either electrical or finished carpentry, maybe.
On this special field trip, they're seeing what those kinds of careers might look like. They visited the school district shop to speak with workers in the maintenance department. They asked questions, watched demonstrations of the kind of equipment they'd be using, and got hands-on lessons in what it would be like to have a career in the trades.
I liked it. It's really cool. I just like seeing how everything works and just kind of the environment here. Yeah.
For the maintenance team, it's a chance to get more involved.
We work in an educational facility, and so we should be engaged and involved with the kids learning. And this is how we do it, is just through our work.
The building trades program is new this year and came in response to demand from employers. There simply aren't enough skilled workers to fill open positions.
There's a high demand for this work, and we're really excited to see kids interested in that. And so if we can be involved to educate or at least make them aware of what's available out there, then that's what we want to do.
The maintenance team's message got through to the kids.
It gives you more inspiration, I guess, like more of an excitement to actually like be wanting to work in this type of fields, you know, because like I'm a senior, you're coming out of high school, you don't know what to do with your life, you're just like, okay, school's ending, what do I do now? So you kind of get an idea of what's like happening here, what are you going to do, how are you going to work, if you're going to like the environment or not.